How to turn off voice to text on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like watching our contents. So what you can do is first open your message app and then you see a small microphone button. So without typing, you can speak on whatever you want to type in. You can also see a small microphone option on the message bar itself. It also has the same function. Alright, let's go to the main part. Now, how to turn it off. So open your settings app, scroll down and tap on general and then select keyboard. Now you'll find the option for enable dictation. You just have to toggle it off. But before that, go to dictation languages and choose the language that you want. And after you toggle it off, just click on turn off dictation and then there you go. Now to make sure that it's turned off, what you can do is go back and open your message app again, and then here you can see there is no microphone option, not even on the keyboard and not in the search bar as well. However, your voice recording option will still be there. So what you can do is click on the plus sign and then there you'll see audio option. So if you want to record your voice and send in the message, it will still be there. Well, that's it for today's content. If you like watching our content, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.